Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up BitPay merchant account for invoice payments, complete guide step by step clearly. To set up a BitPay merchant account for invoice payments, begin by visiting the BitPay website. On the home page, locate the Get Started button and click it. You will be directed to a sign up page. Fill out the required fields with your business information. This includes your email address, business name, and a secure password. After entering your information, review the terms of service and privacy policy. Check the box to agree and continue. You will receive a confirmation email. Navigate to your inbox and find the email from BitPay. Click on the link within the email to verify your account. Once verified, log into your BitPay account using your email and password. You will be taken to the BitPay dashboard. From here, select the option for Merchant Services. Locate the Get Started or Activate button to begin the setup. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter additional business details. This may include your business address, type, and contact information. Next, you'll set up your wallet. Choose either a BitPay wallet or a third-party wallet. If using a third-party wallet, ensure it is compatible with BitPay. Follow the instructions to connect your wallet to your account. Once your wallet is set up, navigate to the invoicing section of the dashboard. Click on the option to create a new invoice. Fill in the invoice details, including the amount and description. Select the payment currency you wish to accept. After completing the invoice details, review all information carefully. Click Send Invoice to generate a unique payment link. You can share this link with your customers for payment. To manage payments, return to the invoicing section of the dashboard. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.